mis pantuflitas? ¿Cómo amanecieron? Miren, we started this video because it is time for you to know about the Chevy stepside. But, like always, pinche pitufino al rescate. This truck has been parked for many months. Well, when I put the rims and tires, I think it's like a couple, 2-3 months already. So, pasarle corriente. I was gonna bring the jumper, I forgot. So now, let's see. A ver si agarra. Oh. No quiere. No quiere. Oh shit. So, vamos a ver qué pasa porque no quiere jalar esta madre. Well, let me get back to you guys porque no va a jalar. Alright guys, so this is what I did. What I ended up doing is remote starting it with the damn alarm. Apparently it died, so the alarm cut off everything. So ahí está ya the little V6 that could. Oh, somebody smashed it right here. Oh no, never mind. I was like, damn, that sucks. So let me move this car. Pinche pitufino anda con todo, tirando paro. We're gonna get it out of the way. I'm actually eating breakfast. I don't know if I have food, but as you can tell, ya mero acabo, and we actually gotta go and return a Corvette that we PPF. I took it to one of my buddies. He knows how to do it. I tinted the car and he PPF'd the whole damn car. So we're gonna go do that right now as well. I'm just gonna finish eating breakfast. Y fugas. Ahí están las demás, miren. Looking beauty. So mi gente, déjenme acabo de almorzar. Y ya les seguimos con el videíto. Y andamos. Ahora sí, miren, aquí andamos manejando. Chitroca. Ya les iba a hablar a un güey que esos que compran para el fierro viejo a la verga. But yeah, guys, I mean, when you don't drive them, that's what happens. You go through batteries and all this bullshit. So, ojalá que esta pila aguante, porque si no, vamos a tener que comprar otra. So, ni pedo. Pero vamos a washar. So, right now, what we're gonna do, we're actually headed to put some gas because we are at half a quart. Y la neta, no tengo ganas de pushar porque esta madre, aunque es single cab, está bien puto pesado. So, we're gonna go get some gas. Ya saben dónde, you know where. Ahí el pinche Sam's Club. Cheap it is. O anything like that, but pues vamos ahí porque tenemos que ir a entregar ese Corvette Toys 2023 Corvette. Got some PPF, so we're gonna go return it back to the customer. It's actually one of my dad's friends, so vamos para allá. Y llego al taller, ya almorcé en la casa, so ya no tengo que comprar almuerzo. Llego al taller y le seguimos con la troca esta sobre cuánto traigo en esta troca. Guys, yo sé que para muchos no es mucho dinero. Trust me, I know there's lanes to this, and I'm in a different lane than a lot of people are. But for me, it's a lot of money. Don't get it wrong. Para mí es una lana, porque when you're hitting close to a couple thousands, está cabrón. So, pero bueno. Déjenme, llego a echar gasolina, echo petróleo, entrego ese carro. A ver si les puedo tomar video, aunque no creo. Porque el amigo de mi jefe es muy reservado. No sé si... no sé. En fin. Hago eso, llego al taller. Y vamos a continuar con el video sobre la Cat Eye. It is not even washed. Look at that. It has dirt that's been there forever. So, I don't know. Should I run it through another car wash? Ahorita a ver qué pasa. Porque no quiero que se me vuele el scoop. Ah, no, esta no trae scoop, ¿verdad? Como en el otro. Pero, we'll see right now. So, let me get there. Let me put some gas on this damn thing. Y le seguimos. Hey, before anything, yo digo que la pila ya mamó. Esa madre no ha subido. So, Ah, shit. Now it's all about what's gonna happen next. Pero, déjenme. We're here. 288 gas. So, it's cheap, so fuck it. Full tank of gas. Hey guys, I think this truck actually, it's fucked already. Cause look at the battery. Look at this. It ain't charging. We are putting gas. Right now we're at $40 and we are about half a tank. Eso que traía medio cuarto, Picho troca eso que es V6 y picho, yo pensé que el tanque estaba chicolín. But let's fill up the tank. I mean, might as well. So I don't know. Do you think we need a new battery? Cause it keeps getting actually lower. La virga, no me va a quedar tirado. Ni pedo. Let's have Jesus on call. Let me start calling him. Y para decirle que se empieza a listar por si me quedo tirado, que venga por Miguelito. So ahí está, $71. That's what it gets filled up with. It is full. But we don't have no battery, so. You don't know how it's scraping. Man. And it's scraping from the front. I already rolled the fenders y todo el pedo. What do you think I should do? Should I just tub it? Or should I lift it a little bit from the front, at least an inch? Let me know down below in the comments. Porque yo sé que entre más tumbada, más bonitas, pero damn it, sometimes it gets kind of tiring. Estar escuchando cómo se scrape así, me caga. So, yeah. Alright, let me get to where the Corvette is. Y de ahí nos movemos porque I don't know, guys. I don't know if we're gonna make it to the shop. It looks like we are not going to make it, but we're gonna find out very soon. Okay, mis pantuflitas, the camera died right now, so had to charge it. But like I said, today it is a new day because yesterday we got a little busy, so I wasn't able to record as much. But aquí andamos. Cara is here. Ahí está la Che. So let me start by thanking everybody for looking at my videos, por el apoyo, all that support. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys like these videos as much as I like making them. I hate editing, but I like making them. So let's start with the 2004 Chevy Silverado. Okay, so this is like I said, my 2004 Silverado. The first upgrade that I did on this one, it was actually, I sold a C10 that I had. It was a very nice C10. It was an 84, I believe. That was brand new paint job. I did rims, I did everything, drops and everything. Let me see if I can find a picture. If I do, I'll put a picture on the not on the comments, but on the video. Y a ver qué tal les parece. But on this one, when I sold the truck, I sold the C10 for $6,500. No, for $8,000. Sorry, for $8,000. Me and my wife were actually in Ruidoso, and we were in Alamogordo. We were eating breakfast. We were coming back from Ruidoso. We were coming back to El Paso. And este vato, un camarada mío, el Juan, shout out. From Tech Solutions, so you guys know. Él me estaba diciendo, ya tenía rato dándome, no guerra, pero diciéndome que le vendiera la C10. And that day I was like, you know what, give me $8,000, no less, no BS, no nothing. And pues he took the truck. Me cayó como quien dice, por andar yo de bocón de que sí que no, se la llevó. That same day when we were eating breakfast at Alamogordo, I started going online. Ahí ¿cómo se llama? Al Facebook, al Marketplace. And I didn't want to be left without a truck. So I ended up picking up this Cat Eye for $5,000. That's what I bought it for, $5,000. Of course, I mean, it was stock. No le han hecho nada, reinas de fierro y todo. Let me post that picture right now. So as you can see, like I said, it was basic and everything. The first mods that I did with that money that I had left from the other truck that I sold, because I had $3,000 left, fui con un camarada, con el Esaú, estamos también está con nosotros, yo estoy con él, los big boys, tiene su llantera, and we ended up dropping the truck and putting the TBSS wheels. Let me post the picture right here. So como ven, yeah, we did that, but the drop actually was not to my liking. I wanted a 5.7, and that should look lifted. It looks stock. So for that, with the Saul, with the drop and the rims and tires, it was $3,500. That was the first, because this truck's been through 3 sets of rims. So that was the first set of rims, $3,500. And like I said, I didn't like it, but it is what it is. I was like, whatever. I had a show actually that following weekend. We were going to Tucson, Arizona. That was my first time actually going to a truck show with Hazardous, because just to let you guys know, I was with Hazardous as well when the chapter El Paso was here. So I was still not Hazardous when I was going to Tucson. Let me put that in perspective. But I was going with them, but I wasn't part of the team. But I was, friends with everybody. So fuimos, pasando el checkpoint, casi llegando a Deming. The Silverado fuel pump gave out. Apagó todo el tablero, everything turned off. It gave out, and it started, my luck, started raining. It was pouring rain. Hasta eso, yo les decía a estos compas, ¿saben qué? Chingue su madre la puta troca, que se quede aquí, se la roben, me vale verga. And that's that. Como la reata que son esos güeyes con maraotas, dijeron, ¿sabes qué, Brady? We all have to go, we're all here. O vamos todos o no vamos, o vamos a jalar esta madre a Deming and let's get a dolly. Let's rent one. Fuck it. So, ya la jalamos a Deming y todo. Renté el dolly, salió un puto huevo. A cámara el chato, ya lo han mirado, el chatito. Él vino por mi troca, por mi Ram, por mi traila, y se fue hasta Tucson a dejármela para poder yo arrimar mi troca para atrás. Todo el chiste de toda esa trilogía, nomás para arrimar la troca, me salió $2,000. Porque la renta del dolly, it was stupid expensive, since I wasn't able to bring it back to Deming, and I was gonna leave it at Tucson. So, yeah. But anyway, that's not part of the truck expenses, but a little story about it. So, de ahí, trajimos la troca para atrás. Cambiamos la fuel pump. The fuel pump, we got a little upgrade on the fuel pump. It was $250 and $150 of labor. So it was $500 right then and there. Let's add that because that was part of the truck. So $500 on the fuel pump with labor and everything. Damn, I need a haircut. After that, like I said, I wasn't happy with the drop. So what I ended up doing, I ordered another drop from Magawis. Y la llevé con otro camarada que tiene un taller, se llama Terlogics. Shout out to him too. He's on Carolina and Alameda. And we ended up dropping the truck the way I really wanted it. And that's this drop that he has right now. We dropped the truck. El vato de puro labor me cobró $500. The Magawi setup was, I think, like about another $1,200. No, like $800, because we did use some of the other stuff that we had previously bought for the truck. So I just had to use a little, just buy less parts for it. So let's say it was like about $1,000, like $200 with labor and everything. Now, I did buy the HD hood, and that truck, I bought the SS bumper. The HD hood cost me $350, and the SS bumper, I believe, was like $180, $200, because it wasn't original. I mean, it was chinito, but it did the work. So, and that bumper, I broke it in Tucson cuando la troca se madrió. I don't have video of that, pero estaba haciendo la traila, pues it was just like 3 or 4 of us. Y estaba mi chaval el lever, he was still younger, so lo estábamos subiendo y valió dick. Se quebró el bumper, so ahí mismo lo arranqué a la verga. Ok, so ya se tumbó la troca bien. Y luego pagué por el color match before that grill, because it was the SS bumper, the hood, and the other grill, the original grill, the OEM grill. I paid Senior from across the street. El vato me cobró, it was $600. No, $500. And it was the hood, the grill, the bumper, and the rear bumper. That was the only color match it did for $500. Pinche pintura no duró más que como medio año y se empezó a escarapelar. Ok, so that was that. Y luego salieron unos rines en Lubbock, los infamous que traía esta troca. So I drove all the way to Lubbock and I bought those rims for $1,600. So le pusimos los rines. Ya han mirado la troca con los otros rines. I mean, you've seen it before. So that was the rims. So that's $600 in rims. También, what I ended up doing, I did the system. The first system that I had on it was two DDs, 600 series, just like the ones on the Rumblebee. Did the system, did the radio and the amps, 4-channel, and DD everything. The Pioneer, back in the day, was $750, I believe, $1040. No, I got it for like $549, $599, my price, tech price. And then the DDs, they were $200 a piece. The box, la compré con el chinito. Antes no estaba muy metido en hacer cajones, en nada de eso. So la compré con el Mr. One, Texas Boombox. También shout out to them. Mi gente, yo a todos los que les pueda dar apoyo, yo no soy envidioso, nada. Por eso Dios siempre nos ayuda. No sean así, cabrones. A todos nos cae. A todos nos va a caer billetes si nos portamos bien. So fuimos con el Texas Boombox. La box me salió como en $60. El amplificador traía el Nemesis. Ya saben que esa marca me gusta. Me salió en $350 y el 4-channel Nemesis me salió en $280. So, yeah. Después fuimos a Las Vegas, mi esposa y yo, para un cumpleaños mío. Y compré la center console, toda completa, me salió en $300. Porque la neta, si la miran, parece que la center console está nuevecita. Well taken care of. Y pues la troca, como han visto, está impecable. So, también la center console, $300. La tapadera de atrás. Esa tapadera tuve que viajar también. Está entre Monahans y Lubbock. No me acuerdo, es un pueblito. It's like 3.5 hours from here. La tapadera me salió en $600. La truck bed cover de la Cat Eye, que viene siendo esa. Ya para eso el Jesús ya estaba aquí. So la tapadera color con total $500 y la pintura. Jesús la primera vez que la pintó me cobró $200 por pintarla. So ahí está, $700 en la pura tapadera. Después ya le compré el grill, le compré otro bumper, valence y todo ese pedo. El grill me salió en $150 y luego $40 por los piecillas de los lados. Y el bumper me salió como en $80, creo. So ya con todo eso, I mean, I'm not doing math, honestly. It's up to you guys. If you guys, like I said, you guys are keeping up, write it down and let me know how much I spent. También le metimos el K&N intake. Esta troca casi no me gustan las luces. Yo no soy muy amante de las LEDs, but it does have underglow. No, necesito perder la troca, because I only have one color. I like that aqua color. I like that color. The color is nice. Lo que sigue, también un día andaba de acá danos bloqueando, pensando en pendejadas que chingados hacer con la troca mía. Y el Jesús, nomás igual le dije, Jesús, ¿pintamos mi troca? Arre. Y ahí está. Hijo de la verga, no le dije 2 veces. Cuando ya empezó con la pinche lija, empezó a quitar partes y se pintó toda la troca completa.
A huevo, antes de que se rajen.
Por esta troca, mijo, porque esta sí te la pagué. ¿Cuánto me cobraste por esta, güey?
Esta fueron 1,600.
Y luego yo puse lo que viene siendo el material, ¿verdad?
Simón.
So, ya saben, yo compré el material, no me acuerdo, porque pues Jesús lo agarró, pero creo que eran como $500, $400.
De esta material se me fue que fueron como $600.
$600. Son 1,600 de labor, gente. La neta, el pinche Jesús siempre se porta chida. Por eso hay veces que, además, a mí me pintó una troca, y lo voy a decir aquí enfrente de todos, y ahí está. Me pintó una troca, yo testé otra Cat Eye, cabina y media. Este güey le puso la Pinky por las placas.
La Pinky, las iniciales de las placas
Era
PNK.
la Pinky me la pintó gratis. Esa sí no me cobró nada y me la pintó en un puto día. Pero bueno, la troca, 1,600 de labor y $600 de material. Ahí das $2,200. Pues esa troca, pero la neta, si la miran, dame boy, quedó pasa de lanza, color match todo. Yo no quería mucho todo, pero pues ya este güey hizo color match y fuck it. Le hice upgrade la third brake light y la hicimos smoked, porque no me gusta que se mire eso del LED. I don't like it, even they are LEDs, pero que se mire incognito, porque antes también le hice el wrap. Remember the other one? They had the wrap on the roof and on the hood. el wrap me salió en, I think it was like $350 for the wrap. ¿Qué más le hemos hecho? So truck bed, new set of wheels, as you can see this previous time. The new set of wheels that we did on the truck. 24s all around, brand new tires. El Sam, la neta, me dio un pinche precio pasado de lanza. I don't know if I should say it, but I will, because like I said, I'm gonna be transparent. Tampoco le voy a subir precios a las cosas de que, ¿verdad?, que no pagué, o lo que no me costó en realidad. O sea, lo que es. El Sam me cobró $1,400 por los rines. Rims and tires. 24s. El precio de él ahí, porque yo antes de hablar con Sam, hablé a la tienda porque de repente el puto no me contesta. Hey, shout out Sam Tire City, hit him up. Un trabajador de él me dijo que los rines estaban en $1,950, rims and tires. Ponle $2,000. And they charge anybody else, they charge them tax on that. $1,400, $1,450 at the door. Installed, mounted, installed. And it was between this set of rims and other ones, pero me gustaron más estos. También, pues le digo, todo fue los rines y llantas nuevos. Ahí está la troquita. The cluster, it's a Cadillac cluster. It's an Escalade. It didn't have those little what's called the chrome trims. I actually had another cluster previous to that one. Que el Mario, el que me pintó la troca roja, el puto, no, nunca me lo arreglates. Nunca él los iba a arreglar, o se lo di para que lo arreglara y no se pudo. So ya no se usó, pero yo me quedé con el cluster. Y cuando compré ese, le pusimos las madres esas del chrome. Y un camarada mío que es mecánico de diésel y de todo, que se llama Luis, el Pantuflita. De ahí empezó ese nombre, cabrones, las pantuflitas, porque le empecé a decir pantuflita al güey. Tiene la máquina y ya me puso el speedometer mío viejo, miró las millas y acomodó todo al otro. Porque tampoco eso de andar acá chapuneando a la gente, eso no me gusta. Eso, lo que si la troca hubiera tenido 200,000, me vale verga, no la voy a vender, es mía. Se puede tener 300, 400 o una milla. But I wanted everything to keep, as you can see, like the audio and everything, I like to keep it stock. Sí me gustan los TD panels, sí me gusta todo ese pedo, pero a mí en lo personal, entre más original se mire la troca y se oiga y se mire más perra, a mí se me hace mejor. Los badges también, la placa del Chalino, todos esos, pues todo eso cuesta. I have the backup camera for this truck that goes actually factory on the latch on the back. Y tengo tiempo ahora, a lo mejor se la pongo. También brakes, disc brakes and everything all around, todo nuevo. Todo nuevo de O'Reilly's or Fairvance, I don't know, either one of those. But I think it was O'Reilly's. The radio, like I said, it was expensive, and it does have Sirius XM. The antenna is right there, which I've never actually had Sirius XM on this truck. Oh, it also has an epicenter for audio control, $220. He comprado, esta troca es original de Premier Trucking. As you can see right there, that's mine. Ahí está el Intake Legacy. Shout out to el Omar. Cuando estaba haciendo el giveaway de la laptop y de la GoPro, I was like, man, I have them, but I can always use more. So, está mi gente, todo lo que he hecho en la GMC, que me haya acordado. Que me haya, la verdad, acordado, porque yo sé que hay más cosas que le he metido y a lo mejor se me ha pasado. Oh, the bedliner on this truck, el Jesús también se lo aventó. El bedliner, cuando empecé lo conocí. El bedliner creo que me lo dejó como en $350, something like that. $300, which I didn't think it was bad at all. So we did the bedliner on this truck as well. This truck has gone through a lot of changes in the time I've had it, and I've had it for like 5 years already, 4 or 5 years, somewhere around there. This is my pride and joy. I love this truck. I will never get rid of this truck. I don't care how much money they offer me or they throw at me, because I've had some good offers. But como dice mi esposa, we really haven't enjoyed the truck, and it's time to actually do it. So guys, a lo mejor vamos a andar en Houston para el 25 de marzo, para lo del Freddy. We're actually, me and my wife, it's going to be her birthday el 21 de marzo, so we're going to South Padre Island. Cada año nos la estoy sacando de viaje. Last year fue a Houston y a Galveston. So nos vamos a la playa. So we'll try to see if we can go. I'm gonna see if I can take the Tilín, not this one, because it is a long ass drive. So let me see. I gotta get that Rumblebee ready so it can tow this truck. That Rumblebee needs to tow this one. That's what it was made for. That's what it was built for. But till I get it up and, well, it's up and running good, but until I get it to specs where I know it's not gonna leave us stranded, por lo pronto no se mueve. Mi gente, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did the math, if you did it for me, let me know how much I've actually spent on this damn truck. Y ya saben, the name of the game, pues it's expensive, pero ahí está, mire. Follow me, Premier Trucking. Muchas gracias, gracias por el apoyo, like and subscribe, ya se la saben. Ahí andamos, están